You guys, hi, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, you guys, I want to share with you. I am beginning to create intimate spaces. It's gonna be a side business that I'm partaking in now. It's something extra that I'm adding to decor and more. And what I'm going to be doing is creating intimate spaces for different I guess anniversaries, different celebrations, birthdays, baby showers, things like that. So I wanted to share with you guys an intimate setting that I set up for me and the hubster the other night, after Valentine's Day. Since we didn't get a chance to cook our meal, I decided to set something up for the day after, and I want to share that with you guys. And I want to share that I will be doing pop-up picnics and charcuterie boards and different little intimate settings. So this is one here that I just wanted to share with you guys and let you know what's really going on with me. I have a lot of things that's brewing and going on at the same time, and so I'm going to be showing you different little aspects of what I will be doing. I have a catering event coming up this weekend, this Saturday, where I will be hosting or catering a birthday dinner, and so I'm going to try to shoot some of that live. So if you guys are just have some time on Saturday, probably around 6 p.m. Eastern time or a little bit after, I'm going to try to go live so that you can see some of the birthday celebration that I will be cooking and catering for someone's birthday. But I wanted to share this with you guys, and I want to show you how I put all of this together. So you guys, get your coffee, get your tea, get your snacks, honey, and let's get right into this video. So you guys, first things first, what I did first was I went ahead and cleared this table off, and I got, a dry cloth and just kind of wiped it down a little bit. And then I decided to use this runner that I had for years now. What I usually use in this dining room, I decided to use that as a base. And the reason I love this runner is because it's a neutral color, and I love this little inlay of gold flakes that goes throughout the runner. So it gives you like a backdrop of gold within it. So I'm going to go ahead and put this 2-tier tray on this runner, and I'm going to set it pretty much in the middle of the table, because that's going to be my middle visual point. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add these beautiful martini glasses, vases that I picked up from the home goods store in my home goods haul. I don't know if you guys remember these, but I had these vases around the holidays, I believe, is when I purchased them. And I thought they were just a phenomenal price. And I knew that at some point I would use these vases, or that I would need these vases. So I decided to go ahead and use those today, because I thought what perfect balance it would make to have some martini glasses to set, as the backdrop of this table. Now, I have this Mr. and Mrs. Sign that I got from the Hobby Lobby stores years ago. I've used this sign, before in some of my table settings, especially I did a wedding a couple of years ago for my cousin's wedding, and I used this as a table decor piece where I made her a dessert table. And so I'm going to go ahead and reuse this Mr. and Mrs. just because it kind of signifies what we are celebrating. We're celebrating love. We're celebrating myself and him. And so I thought that was perfect. Also, you guys, I added this foam Valentine runner on top of the gold runner, and I thought it gave it an extra pop of color. And so I love how you can see the other runner in, beneath it, and it has like these cut out hearts and things. So I thought it was just perfect to add a pop of color. Now, in these martini glasses trays, what I did was I took some tissue paper, you guys, that I had left over from the Dollar Tree when I did the basket and other DIYs. I took tissue paper and I put them inside, inserted them inside of the wine glasses. And then I filled both glasses up with, just some treats, some white chocolate covered pretzels and trail mix candy, which I got from the Walmart store during Valentine's. And I just filled them up with those because I thought this would be a nice treat for them to be able to, just take apart. And if someone comes into the home, it's also a nice treat for them to have as well. I'll leave it on the table for someone to else to enjoy. And then I have this beautiful cake, you guys, that I got from the Walmart store as well. It is a strawberry filled cake. And I thought it was perfect to add in this setting because it's the colors all match. It has the pink and the white cream filling and strawberries inside. So I wanted to add that as a display as well to the table. And then on the two-tier tray, I also added some of those white chocolate covered pretzels. I added some Valentine heart cookies with all of those little I love you, text me, all of those little saying that that they have on the cookies. I thought it was perfect. And then I added those little chocolate hearts with the pink icing on it. And that's what's on the two-tier tray. Now, I'm actually adding these red velvet cheesecake mini cakes that I got from Walmart as well. My husband loves red velvet cake. And so I thought this would play a perfect be a perfect addition to this table because it is something that he really, really loves, you guys. So I wanted to add some treats that not only do I love, but he loves as well, and something that we both would partake in. And now, you guys, this is a set that I got when I attended the Galentine's party. This was what my Galentine gifted me. This was one of the items among many. I had a wonderful basket, you guys, and I should have shared that with you guys. Well, this was a part of it. This wine, set that came with 2 bottles of wines and 2 glasses, and I thought the box was just gorgeous, just absolutely beautiful. And I really didn't want to open this box because I thought it was just a perfect display. It was so gorgeous. And yeah, but I thought about this table and I said, it has all the right colors that matches the color scheme of this table. It's the red, the pinks, the white, and little specks of black. So I said I must use these 2 bottles and these glasses. And so yeah, I decided to go ahead and open the box and, make this a part of the entire love display that I'm putting together here in the dining room. And so the box was very hard to open at first, but then, common sense kicked in and voila, I was able to open the box. All it was a little tug at the top and it just opened sesame. So I'm going to go ahead and use these 2 bottles, you guys. And I just think they are just absolutely gorgeous with these champagne flutes. And yeah, I think this is a perfect setting, a perfect setup for this setting. These bottles are just absolutely perfect. So once I decided to add those, I'm going to also add some additional glasses to this table. But I thought since these glasses came with the bottle of champagne, then I would go ahead and use those. But I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with these glasses right here. And I'm going to finish setting this table up. And you guys, I hope that you're enjoying this video. I would like to say that if you are new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you a part of our family. You guys, also hit your notification bell so that you can be notified when there's new videos like this one. And make sure that you like this video and share this video on your social media platform. All you have to do is hit that share button over to the right, and it will take you to your messages. It will take you to Facebook. It will take you to Instagram, Twitter, and a whole lot of other accounts that you would like to share this video with, even email, you guys. So go ahead and hit that share button and share along your social media platforms. Now, I want to say that I added this plate setting. If you guys remember this luxe plate setting that I got during my Christmas haul at the home goods store, I am finally using these plates, you guys. I never did a table setting for the holidays, and so I think this was the perfect setup to go ahead and use these this table setting. So that's what I did. I also took the the gold napkins, and I just, made a nice little pleat with them, triple folded them, and I placed them underneath the plate, and just to have them to pop out underneath the plate. And I thought it was just absolutely, it all came together. I'm gonna add silverware to this as well later on. But you guys, this was easy, and it was simple, and it was quick. So this is something that I will be featuring in my pop-up intimate spaces, you guys. So it's gonna be the Cindy effect. I'm not sure what the name of it's gonna be, but right now I'm using the Cindy effect. Social settings. So yeah, I'm going to come up with a permanent name, but I just wanted to share this with you and let you know that this is what's new on this channel. This is what we'll be doing. We'll be setting up intimate spaces, pop-up picnics, pop-up brunches, baby showers, intimate spaces in the park, dine and wines in the park. I will be including music, coolers with different, drinks and food. I would also be including charcuterie boards with these meals, champagne glasses. They will have the whole nine, you guys. This is going to be A1 setting. And so if you guys know of anyone that is interested, share these videos and let them know that this is something, these settings can be mobile. These are mobile settings. I can come to your home. I can come to your office space. We can do picnics in the park, any types of spaces, wherever. I'm also going to be purchasing those inflatable tents, and I will be doing a video on that as well. And so that in case if it rains or the weather is bad, you'll also have an inflatable tent or something to, be able to sit in, and we can set that up inside the tents so that you can have your intimate spaces. So yeah, this is just something that's new on the channel, you guys. You heard it here first. So this would be the Cindy effect social settings. And so, yeah, share this video, and I look forward to maybe setting something intimate up for some of you guys. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, share along your social media. And you guys, this is your girl Cindy signing out. I will see you all in the next video. Ciao.
I didn't know you. Oh, I didn't know your love. Was easy to love you, but I have to go. I won't lie to you. I do the things I want to do. You should do the things you want to do. But baby, you know that I like the way you dance. Oh, I want the night, I will mess it. Baby, but the summer
think it really came out really, really nice, you guys. So this is the setup, you guys. I just wanted to share it with you. I hope you guys enjoy. This is for the lovebirds. Anytime you want a setup, this is a quick little way to set your table for two, a romantic setting for two, you guys. And remember the Dior flowers back in the back. Don't forget those. Remember those, the Dior flowers. So you guys, this is your girl Cindy signing out. I will see you all in the next video. I just want to share this quick little setup that we're going to have today for dinner, since on yesterday, Valentine's Day, we missed dinner because we were out with family and loved ones. So we're going to do that here tonight, and it's just going to be a quick little setup for the two of us, you guys. And this is not only Valentine's Day, but this can be any day of the year. Love is 365 days a year, you guys. So don't be stingy. Love on your person 365. All right, I will see you all in the next video. Mwah! Love you.
You're so pretty, every day I'm thinking, baby, could you help me, cause I'm freezing. If you want to see me, it's cause you miss me. You say that you will love me every night and day, and I promise you that I will do the same. I know that nobody will love you the same way. Yeah, you're so easy to love, and I like when you say I'm the one. You're so easy to love. You're easy to love. Yeah, you're so easy to love, and I like when you say I'm the one. You're so easy to love. You're easy to love. Yeah, you're so easy